Steve, what are we doing today?
We're cleaning the slide out streaks. I call it the 3-finger streak. It's usually 3 fingers from the outside of the camper. We're going to use a little Gabe's Pride straight out of the bucket. If you're using anything else to try to clean this streak, you'll find it's very difficult. Even the Gabe's Pride diluted has a tough time with this streak. But if we take a little bit of Gabe's Pride streaker right out of the box, right out of the bottle, let it set for a minute. This will not harm the coating on your camper. And we just start wiping them off. Very simple, very easy to do. Do this before you start washing the outside of the camper, and then it makes it a lot easier when you do the slide outs. You don't have that streak staring you in your face as you're cleaning and you're wondering why it won't go away. Most stubborn streaks on the outside of your camper, if you've got one that you're really having a tough time with, this is a trick that Gabe's Pride recommends. A little bit of RV streaker straight out of the bottle onto a rag. And that rag could be wet or dry, but I prefer dry to start. And then we just clean those right up. That's my go-to solution.
Steve, that looks great.
And easy, even on the tough ones. You just let it sit for a little bit and then wipe them right off.
Now, Steve, while I got you,
Yes.
tell me before we got started, what makes that strip, that stain, so resistant?
Well, it's carbon and petroleum type products leaching out of the inner seal, which is back behind here. It's hard to see, but if you take a little multi-surface and you clean that seal, that helps keep these from coming. They will eventually show up, but you can use a little talcum powder, something like that in a sock to lubricate that seal, and it'll make it slide easier. But you eventually will get these streaks, and they're easier to clean this way.
Excellent, thanks.
Yep. Have a great day.